Are you spiritually growing in your Christian maturity? I am convinced that the biggest reason that many people never grow into a place of spiritual maturity where they can be really used by God is that they are inconsistent in their walk with the Lord. James chapter 1 verse 8 says that, "A double-minded man is unstable in all his ways." I believe that one of the marks of a great church is one of consistency. We must be consistent because our God is consistent. God's nature, plans and purpose do not change. Malachi chapter 3 verse 6. Hebrews 13 verse 8. Believers are also called to show the same consistency in their faith and witness. The moment we cease to be consistent, we slowly destroy our testimony and the world will no longer believe us. We must maintain a dependable Christian lifestyle for others to see that truly indeed, we are children of God. Consistency is a key factor in successfully living for the Lord. James chapter 1 verse 4 says, "Let steadfastness have its full effect that you may be perfect and complete, lacking in nothing." The word steadfast literally means firmly fixed, but is chiefly used figuratively to indicate undeviating constancy. The full effects of consistency are perfection, complete maturity, and lacking in nothing. Consistency is the key to success, no matter what you are doing. By definition, consistency is referred to as adherence to the same principles in a steadfast way. If you want to achieve anything of value and meaning in your life, then you need to be consistent. All Christians need to make it a goal to be consistent in all aspects of their lives. We have a responsibility to maintain a consistent example. This is a constant theme of the Bible. If our lives are not what they should be, others will not want to follow us and they will become repelled by what we are. It indicates either we are unreal, or what we advocate and believe isn't true and doesn't work. We are to be a picture of reality, a proof that Jesus Christ saves and changes lives so we can become a powerful magnet that draws others to Christ. Paul says, "Be imitators of me, just as I also am of Christ." 1 Corinthians 11 verse 1. God bless us all. Shiloh Christian Church Global Incorporated. Bishop Oscar Sta Lucia. Please support this channel by clicking subscribe, bell, like and share it to others. See you to our next inspiring, educational and powerful message of Bishop Oscar Sta Lucia.